Hello and welcome. In this video we will talk about earwax and how to keep hearing aids clean. This is the ear canal leading from the outside to the eardrum. It's a warm, dark and wet tube, perfect for growing things like viruses and bacteria. Fortunately, we produced something that killed all of this off: earwax. We need to clean the ear mould or dome of a hearing aid to ensure that earwax doesn't build up too much. We can wipe the ear mould and domes with a wet wipe every night. Once a week, if you have an open fit tube with a dome, you'll need to take the tube off like this. Once the tube is off, gently twist off or pull the dome. Once the dome is off, you can then use a wire like this. Insert the wire into the tube from the side that connects to the hearing aid towards the dome. This ensures any blockages don't get pushed down towards the hearing aid. Once the wire is out, use a tissue to give it a wipe. Now let's reassemble the hearing aid. And that's all you need to do for the open fit tubes. For the standard mould, it's also recommended to wash the mould once a month using soapy water and a toothbrush. You can use only a small amount of soapy water and use an old toothbrush, not the one you're currently using, as wax tastes disgusting. Take the ear mould off the hearing aid, like this, then put the ear mould in warm soapy water. Leave it there for a minute or two, and then get your toothbrush, give it a good scrub. Now get a tissue to wipe off all the moisture. And then ideally, you should have one of these, a puffer. Place the puffer against the tube, like this, and gently squeeze. This is going to blow dry air through the tube, drying it. Do make sure that the other end of the tube is either facing your hand or into a tissue. Otherwise, you might get an unpleasant surprise. Once it's all dry, reassemble it. All done. Cleaning the ear mould every night and washing it once a month will help to keep it clean and reduces the chance of getting ear infection. It will also help you be aware of earwax in the tubing. Thank you for watching.